Our vlog this time invite you to enjoy the fresh air in the afternoon, precisely at the location of the Latuppa Palopo game. Follow us, okay?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Novi Suryani. My name is Haftuti and my name is
This is a trip to Latuppa. It takes 30 minutes to raise the bed. Follow us guys, okay?
Very beautiful scenery with lustrous and winding roads. We really enjoy this trip.
Now we arrive at the bathing gate. About 3 minutes we arrive at the location. Follow us guys.
Hello guys, we have arrived at the end.
Here we climb the stairway chart with training. There about 1000 stairs. Very tired. Yay, we have arrived at our destination and the scenery is very beautiful. Guys, thanks for watching our vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.